Hello students, welcome to SDK Pathshala. Today we are on the second class of our Mool concept chapter. So today we are going to do some problem sums. Okay, so to discuss about few problem sum, let us solve some problem sum. Okay, so our first problem sum is, I am dictating, you just listen carefully. How many oxygen atoms are there in 32 gram of oxygen gas? So how many oxygen atoms are there in 32 grams of oxygen gas? So oxygen O, so oxygen is having atomic mass of 16 gram. So in a oxygen gas, oxygen is a diatomic gas. So O2 means there are two oxygen atoms in one molecule. So what is the molecular mass? Gram molecular mass will be 16 into 2, that is 32 gram. Okay, so gram molecular mass is 32 gram. So you need to find out how many oxygen atoms are there. Now as the gram molecular mass is 32 gram, so in 32 gram of oxygen gas, how many oxygen molecules are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen molecules are there. Okay, so therefore as in one molecule of oxygen, how many oxygen atoms are there? There are 2 atoms. Therefore in 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules, how many oxygen atoms are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 2 atoms are there in molecules. In 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, this number of atoms are there. So this will be 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, so very easy sum. Next sum is, again I am dictating, you just listen carefully, or you can write it in your copy also. Okay, so next, find out the mass of 10 mole of calcium. 10 mole of calcium. Okay, 10 mole of calcium. Find the mass of 10 mole of calcium. So what is the molecular mass? Atomic mass is, calcium is 40. So its molecular mass is also 40, because in one molecule there is only one atom. So its molecular mass is also 40. So 40 gram. So mass of 1 mole of calcium is its molecular mass is equals to its molecular mass, because 1 mole. So what is the molecular mass? 40. So 40 gram. So 10 mole of calcium is obviously 40 into 10, that is 400 gram. As simple as that, because 1 mole of any substance is equals to that gram molecular mass, or its gram molecular mass equals to. So the mass of 1 mole of any substance is its gram molecular mass. Next, this one is 2. Oh, sorry, I did 3 there. Next, find out the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 21 molecules of water. Now this is interesting. How many molecules of water there? There are 6.022 into 10 to the power 21 molecules of H2O. Okay, now we need to find out the mass. So What is the molecular mass of H2O? So molecular mass or gram molecular mass what is 2 into 1 and O is 16. So 2 into 1 2 18. So 18 gram. So in 18 gram, this is the gram molecular mass. So in 18 gram of water, there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2O. Okay, so we can write 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules having mass, how many gram? 18 gram. Okay, so 6.022 into 10 to the power 21 molecules having mass of 18 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 20 10 to the power 23 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 21 23, so 10 square, this cancel out, so it will be 18 divided by 10 square 100, so it will be how much? 0.18 gram. Okay, understood? Let me clear it once again. So there are how many molecules? 6.022 into 21 molecules. Now what is the molecular mass? Gram molecular mass is 18. So gram molecular mass is 18 means, see, there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water whose mass is 18 gram. Okay, so there are how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power 21 molecules. So if 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules having the mass of 18 gram, so this number of molecules having the mass of, just unitary method, normal unitary method, very simple. Next one. Okay, so next one, find the volume of 170 gram of NH3 at NTP. Find the volume of 170 gram of NH3 at NTP. Find the volume of 170 gram of NH3. Okay, that is ammonia. So ammonia is NH3. So gram, we need to find out the volume. Okay, so but we need to find out the mass itself. So gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass. What is the gram molecular mass? N is 14, H is 1, into how many atoms are there? 3. So 17 gram is the gram molecular mass of NH3. So 17 gram of, so at NTP, 17 gram of NH3 having volume 22.4 liter, because this is the molar volume. Okay, this is the molar volume, because at NTP the gram molecular mass of any gas having the volume of its molar volume, that is 22.4 liter. Okay, or the 22.4 liter of any gas at NTP having the mass of its atomic molecular mass. Okay, so 17 gram having the volume of 22.4 liter. So what is the volume there, or what is the volume of 170 gram? So 170 gram of NH3 will have a volume of 22.4 divided by 17 into 170, simple unitary method. Okay, so 10, that is 224 liter, as simple as that. Okay, now go to the next problem sum. We'll do few more. Okay, so what is next? How many atoms of oxygen and carbon are there in 440 gram of CO2. Okay, how many atoms of oxygen and carbon are there in 440 gram of CO2? So let us write CO2. CO2. So in one molecule, what is the molecular mass? Gram molecular mass. What is the atomic mass of C? Gram atomic mass? Carbon 12, oxygen 16. So how many oxygens are there? 2. So 2 into 16 is equals to 44 gram. Okay. So first we need to find out the molecules, because it is easier to find out because it is the gram molecular mass. So in this gram of molecular mass, how many atoms how many molecules are there, or how many molecules have this mass? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 44 gram and here 440. So 44 gram, in 44 gram of CO2 there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of what? Obviously CO2. Okay, molecules of CO2 are there. So therefore 440 gram of CO2 there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Simple unitary method by 44 into 440, cancel out 10. So it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 24 molecules of CO2. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means this number of molecules are there. Now we need to find out not molecule, how many atoms of oxygen are there. So in one molecule, how many atoms? CO2. So in one molecule, how many atoms? 2 atoms are there. Therefore, number of oxygen atom, how many? 6.022 into 10 to the power 24 into 2, that is 12.044 into 10 to the power 24. And how many carbon atoms are there? As in one molecule, 1 carbon atoms are there, 1 carbon atom is there. Therefore, number of carbon atom, number of C atom, how many? Number of C atoms? 6.022 into 10 to the power 24. So there are as many as carbon atom as the number of CO2 molecules. That is this. Okay, simple. Next, another sum from volume. Okay, so these are the few maths. What you need to do? You need to complete your exercise book, and if you have any query, then you can send me your query in the comment box below. And if you like my video, then press the like button there. Okay, and if you not subscribe yet, so please subscribe for this kind of interesting videos. So what is the next problem? What is the next problem? 7. What is the mass of 11.2 liter of NH3 at STP? So volume is given. What is the volume? 11.2 liter. And mass, we need to find out the mass. So NH3. So gram molecular mass. What is the gram molecular mass? N14H1 into 3. So it is 17. So remember the atomic mass of few. Okay. Though it is provided in your, or it will be provided in your exam, but still you need to remember few common things, like for hydrogen, for nitrogen, for calcium, for sulfur, for oxygen. Okay. So this gram. So this is the gram molecular mass. So 22.4 liter of NH3 equals to 17 gram of NH3. We can write down. Or mass of, or you can write mass of 22.4 liter of NH3 is 17 gram. Okay, so you can write, therefore 11.2 liter of NH3 is mass of This is 17 simple by unitary method. 22.4 into 11.2. 2 cancel out. I guess it is 8.5 gram. So it will be 8.5 gram. So for this class, this type of maths may come, or so you will practice it from your different books which you have already. And if you have any doubt, then you can post that doubt in the comment box below and I will answer them. Okay, so if you not subscribe yet, so please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.